Welcome to new motorcycle riders. Please like and subscribe to this channel. It helps us to reach more motorcyclists. Are you struggling to learn how to ride a motorcycle but don't know why? You're not alone! Many new riders face challenges, but understanding why can help you overcome them. Before I get into it, let me throw these 3 factors in. First, some riders start off with the wrong motorcycle. Second, some riders lack getting the proper training. And third, some riders try to learn too fast. In New Motorcycle Riders Motorcycling for Beginners, I break down some of the basic knowledge you should know when starting out. Learning to ride involves balancing skills, coordination, and confidence. Riders must master these elements in order to succeed. First, let's talk about balance. Balancing on 2 wheels requires practice. Start with a bicycle if needed. Familiarize yourself with feeling balanced. Next is coordination. You must coordinate your hands and feet. Throttle, brakes, and clutch need to work together. Practice each control separately before combining them. Feelings of fear or anxiety are common. Many new riders worry about falling. Focus on slow, controlled practice in safe spaces. Build your confidence gradually. Understanding your motorcycle is crucial. Know how it works. Familiarize yourself with its weight and handling. This knowledge eases riding fears. Now let's visualize a scenario. Imagine you're stopped and about to pull away from a stoplight. Not like this. You're nervous, but you've practiced. You smoothly release the clutch and find balance. You feel empowered. In summary, learning to ride takes time and practice. Focus on balance, coordination, and overcoming fear. Know your bike and take it slow. Ready to conquer the road? Grab your helmet, hop on your bike, and practice. You'll become a confident rider in no time. Thank you for watching this video. Your feedback matters. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.